Welcome to the Window Cleaners Meet Series. Today, I'm gonna introduce myself to some people. What's going on, guys? I see y'all cleaning windows. I wanted to stop over. What's the name of the company?
Quick and clean.
Where y'all based out of?
Lansdale?
Oh, Lansdale?
Lansdale, yeah.
Is that all y'all do is like commercial stuff?
No, we do residential too, and we do power washing too.
Oh yeah, y'all doing these storefronts and stuff?
Not so much. We used to.
Oh, okay. So is this your business?
No, we work for yeah, we're just employees.
Oh, how many crews you got? How many people is working for that company?
Right now, I think there's like 9 or 10, something like that.
9 to 10?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It's not that big of a company.
No,
Not like Jenkintown then.
no, nothing that big.
Yeah, nobody as big as Jenkintown. They got everything sold up, even over in Jersey. How come y'all using water fat pole for this?
Yeah, we used to do the traditional way, and it just takes forever. And it's
Nah. You gotta know what you're doing. You gotta have the right stuff, man. I'll finish this building twice before you get done with that water fat pole.
Oh yeah?
I'm that good. Well, see, I design tools that fits my needs.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna show y'all real quick. What I've done is, see, I'm totally portable. I don't walk with no buckets, no nothing.
Right.
I could actually put reverse osmosis water in this thing too and create the same concept. But what I did was I installed a mop. So if you see here, if you need water, you just hook this up, right? What this is a univalve. You yank on the cord, the water shoots up out of there.
Huh.
Yeah. This is totally pressurized. I can actually clean about 206 small windows. I know it doesn't look like a lot of water, but trust me, when you're doing route work, you don't need a lot of water anyway. So you yank on this cord, right? And the water shoots out there. I guarantee you it's a lot faster using this with one man rather than having two people, one mop, one wet. Not only that, you're fighting the elements, but if you got a apparatus like this, you can flip it back and come down. Now you mean to tell me this is slower traditionally than that? I don't think so. I just showed you.
That's awesome.
Yeah, well, you're not gonna see it anywhere else but me.
You need to patent that.
That's what everybody keeps saying. But look, I got another one, but this one's nice. This one I built completely, but this one, you can actually buy this one, but the water fed part you'll have to make. It's the same concept as this one, but this one I have it coming out of a spray nozzle. See how quick it is to change it? Mm-hmm. What this is a dual pivot squeegee. It's made by Wagtail out of Australia. This actually is specially made for me because they don't even have this size. I talked to the owner on Facebook. I told him I've been using this tool since '96 and I'm a big fan, which I was and I am. This way, you're constantly moving. You're not even stopping for a moment to dip your mop in and then you gotta wring it out. Yep. Everything is simultaneously. So this is a multi-function tool. You're using two tools, actually 3 tools in one hand. So what are you gonna do with this other hand? You could be wiping the ledges while you're squeegeeing. And this is why this is a lot more productive and you'll be knocking out so many jobs. You'll be home before you know it. The boss will be calling you, like, did y'all get all that work done? You finished 3-4 hours ahead of time. Yeah. This will cut your time down by 30% at least. 50% if you're good like me. You see, even if you come to the side it won't flop back and hit the window. So this is totally designed to be used as a squeegee, with the exception of having a mop. But not only that, I installed gliding strips on here. Now, what is this and why did I do it? All right, let's say you have a hot sunny day. The thing is beaming, the guy's mopping the window for you, and it's drying up too fast. You gotta keep telling him don't go too fast or whatever. Sometimes it might take you a little longer, a certain glass. But with this, if you see it starting to dry up, obviously it dries from the top first, and then it works its way down. But as long as you have these gliding strips, these are well lubricated, because as you're taking the water off, it's getting back on the pad. So you got constant lubrication the whole time. So in the event you have a dry spot or a butcher mark, rather than re-wet the window, how you gonna catch it again? If you got some water on a channel, you can tap it like that and then catch it. But use these gliding strips. Half the time, if the job ain't clean, I don't even mop it in. I just take this and squeegee it right on off. And I'm eliminating the step. Huh?
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
But I just wanted to show y'all some up-to-date tools that's gonna help y'all, you know, make your job easier.
Right.
You should be working smarter, not harder.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I don't know if your boss makes you guys buy your own tools, or if he provides for it. But you might want to mention it to him to have him update his his arsenal.
Yeah, right.
Because unless of course he's happy with the way things has been going, but we should all be moving forward, including whoever's working under him. I want my job to be as easy as pie, you know, so I don't want to do things that half-ass. You know, I'm still a traditional guy. I'm old school. It took me a long time to use that thing, because I have a tough time walking away from a window that's still wet, because my concept, my mind is different, you know. But I've been raised on old school. I put my 5-gallon bucket, my pickle bucket I used to have, I put that down 10 years ago. And I'm glad that's the best thing I ever did. I'm totally portable now. I don't even walk with no, man, shoot. You don't even know the half of it, boy. Yep. How often y'all do this? Once a month?
Like every 2, 3.
Oh, every 2 or 3 months? Oh, okay, yeah. And y'all do the inside too?
Yeah.
How do y'all do the inside? Ladders?
Traditional ladders.
Oh, okay. Yeah, see, I would use a pole for all that. I don't get on no ladders because this tool allows me to get up on ladders. And if you're worried about wiping the ledges, I got a solution for that too, where you only got to get up on ladders. You know, sometimes you got to think of different ways to make the job easier. And I'm going to search for the tools that's going to allow me to do that. And if they ain't out there, I'm going to make it myself. You know, that's just how it is. All right, yeah, take it easy. All right. Yeah, a couple of nice fellas. Did you see the whole time I was talking to them, they was pissing all that money away in the ground? Man, that's crazy. Shoot, man, I'm glad they ain't working for me, because I know that's just a part of it. You know, I know there's some other things going on that you see, they couldn't work for me. You know why? Well, unless they could follow directions and do what I ask. But you see, they're in the Stone Age. I mean, not per se because they got water-fed pole, but for a job like that, you don't need to do water-fed pole. It's too slow. No, they too slow. You know, I had to show them. You know, you can still be as fast, if not faster, doing it traditionally. But you got to know what you're doing. You got to have the right tools. You know, it was slower for them, yeah, but it ain't slower for me. And he shook his head. He agreed. It's that way is much faster. So, you know, why is it much faster? You know, because I'm just that good. But this is Masters at Wagtail, and I'll see you in the next one.